stamping.
Saw a few flurries last night to kind of get me
flurries
to get me. That's the official sign, okay? To get me kind of in the holiday spirit.
Yeah, it looked kind of pretty out there. And you know, even when I came into work around 2 o'clock or so this afternoon, there were just a couple of flakes out there. Skies were cloudy at that time, but clear skies overhead for many of us.
Yeah, the sun came out this afternoon.
Just for a little bit, yeah. But unfortunately, the temperatures are going to crash as we have lost our blanket, so to speak. The clouds kind of serve as a little blanket to keep those temperatures up, but with the clearing skies, well, we are going to drop into the low 20s later on tonight, early tomorrow morning. So if you're sending the kids off to the bus stop, make sure they are dressed warmly. There's a look at the Power 5 live radar, and you can see the areas that have cleared out fairly nicely. Still some cloud cover over our easternmost counties, but you should clear out as we head through the next hour or so. I want to show you a temperature change from the last 24 hours. Yeah, we're just a couple of degrees cooler here, but more importantly, I want to show you what's happening off to our west. Notice temperatures ranging anywhere from 5 to as much as 11 degrees warmer over the last 24 hours, and that's what we will deal with tomorrow as temperatures will warm into the mid-40s. So a nice warm-up starting tomorrow, a midweek warm-up. So folks down there braving the cold, doing a little skating there on Fountain Square, and why not? A pretty nice evening for that. Temperature right now is 32 degrees, but you factor in that wind out of the west at 5, and it feels more like 27 degrees. That's the wind chill reading right now. The pressure on the rise as high pressure is just to our south and west. Temperature's pretty uniform around the tri-state region, generally in the low to mid 30s, but we will be dropping into the upper 20s as we head through the evening hours. Wind chills, well, it feels more like 23 in Dayton, 25 in Indianapolis, 29 in Bloomington, and there's our 27-degree wind chill here in the tri-state area. Pretty sunset tonight. That looks pretty nice, doesn't it? If you're heading out this evening, 31 degrees at 7 o'clock. Skies partly cloudy to mostly clear, just depending on where you live. Certainly clearing out and becoming clear as we head through mid to late evening, 29 at 9 o'clock, 27 already at 11 o'clock. I mentioned that area of high pressure to our south and west. There you see it. And around that, of course, we have that clockwise flow. So our winds will become more southwesterly. Certainly during the day tomorrow, as that high slides a little bit more to our east. So we will warm up, as I mentioned, getting into the mid-40s for your Wednesday. But tonight, look at that. Yikes, down to 23 degrees, mostly clear, dry, and quite cold. Just a very light breeze there out of the west and southwest at around 5. Even calm at times tonight. 44 your high tomorrow, so seasonably warm. A sunny and pleasant Wednesday here in the tri-state in your 7-day forecast. 48 degrees, upper 40s on Thursday, low 50s on Friday. But guys, unfortunately, I know the timing's not great. We do have some rain in the forecast for the weekend, namely Saturday night, and maybe early Sunday, and turning cooler for the start of the next work week.
It's like a repeat of last weekend.
We've gone from flurries to clear, just so you know.
No, to rain.
No, it's clear right now. All right.